All right, so here I am on my phone, and I am going to show you how to stake your BNB in your Trust wallet. Open up your Trust wallet, and I have some BNB there that I want to stake. If you don't know how to send BNB over to your Trust wallet, I have a video that shows you how to send it from Binance or Binance US, and the same theory or the same steps will apply to any other really exchange. You're pretty much just copying the address, BNB address from your receive wallet or the receive address from your Trust wallet, and then pasting it when you withdraw on the other exchange. Really simple. So here I have some BNB, and now I want to stake it. To do that, just click on it, and then click on the more, the three dots, and then click stake. Click what you want to stake. I'm just going to stake the max. And then you want to click the validator, and you can choose different validators. And I'm just going to choose, I want to choose one that has a good return. There's a variety that you can choose from. I think I'll just pick this one, the stake to me. And then hit next. And then there is a network fee of 7 cents, which is nothing. And now we're going to stake and hit send. And now it's going to take 1 day before it starts to stake. And that's it. Easy as that. And staking is very safe. But what happens is it locks your funds up for about 7 days. And so if the market gets really hot, you won't be able to just like unstake it and sell it right away. That is the drawback to doing it on staking like on a Trust wallet. But I'm not worried about that, so I just want to set those coins to staking, which they are doing. And at any time when you want, if you want to unstake, just go back into more, and then you can hit unstake and unstake them. You would just hit unstake, and then you just click on it and max out and unstake it. Like you would click the max there and then hit next and go for there. I'm not going to unstake it. I'm just going to leave it going. There you go. And there you can see that it shows the amount that I have staked.